Hello, I'm Paddy from Creative Media, and I'm down here on the carpet today because I'm going to do a quick video about methods of getting pet hair and dust out of carpets. I cleaned this carpet pretty thoroughly with a suction hoover. It wasn't the kind with a carpet beater, it was just the one with a nozzle and a brush, a Bosch one with a special pet hair filter. So you'd hope it would be good at cleaning pet hairs out of carpets. Well, I've just got this Playful Pets pet hair remover and I've been giving that one a go, and I'll see if I can get some more. In fact, I can even see dirt in the carpet straight away, so give it a few scrapes with this, see what I can do. So just 5 scrapes, and here is a big bundle of fluff that's come out of this carpet, which I've just cleaned a few minutes ago. And I'd like to compare it with some other methods, because these are great. The plastic's really stiff, so they're not nice to use. The downside is this stuff. This is some kind of soft plastic or silicone, and it wears out pretty rapidly. You can see it's all coming apart. I've been using this for a bit, but it's not lasting very long, and soon it's going to be worn out. I can't find any place to replace this actual material, even though it can be removed. So it might be I've just got to chuck out this plastic handle and buy a new one, which doesn't appeal to my green sensibilities. So I had a look at the traditional carpet brush. I've modified this so I can brush more easily, and I want to see how that compares. So I'll do another 5 strokes for this in a new spot. Now that, you can't really see here, but that hasn't really picked up very much dirt at all. And probably if I run this over the same spot, yeah, sure enough, I've picked up quite a decent lump of fluff there. Put it with the other one. The other idea was a window cleaning thing. Lots of places you can get a replacement for the rubber or plastic, I don't know what it is, flexible thing. So that might do the job. So I'm going to try that next bit along. The advantage is it's a lot wider than the Playful Pets device as well, so it might clean more carpet at once. Another 5 strokes here. Now that has picked up a decent amount of fluff, and I'd say that's probably comparable with the Playful Pets thing. Probably not quite as good, but close. So I think the take home from this is, if you've got pet hair, either get an amazing carpet beating hoover, there probably are some out there, or maybe get one of these, but you'd probably be throwing it away after a few hours of use. Or possibly get a window cleaning squeegee, which of course you can use on your windows and tiles and all kinds of things, and you can also replace the rubber when it wears out. Thanks for watching, bit of a strange one this time. Happy carpet cleaning.